Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create AI like high quality editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. But wait, I'm going to click on new project right here, and then I'm going to select a video from my download album, and then I'm going to choose this video. Click on add to add this video to our project. Okay, now the video has been added, and then I'm going to go to the effect menu and select video effect, and then here we can search for HDR effect. Okay, and you can choose one of the HDR effects in Capcut. You can choose this one, or this one. But unfortunately, all these effects are not free. We need to subscribe to Capcut to get this effect for our video. But don't worry guys, because I'm going to give you the alternative if you are not pro user in Capcut. So let me show you the trick. You guys can click on this filter option, and then you can go to the adjustment, and here we're going to adjust the brightness, the brilliance, the sharpen, clarity, and so on. Okay, let me start with the brightness. I'm going to reduce the brightness just a little bit, -4, and then I'm going to go to the contrast. We can increase the contrast. I'm going to make it 10, and for the saturation, I'm not gonna do anything with the saturation, and go to the brilliance, and I'm going to make it 8, and then we can go to the sharpen and make it 100, and then for the clarity, you're going to make it 100 as well, and then it will create something like this. Okay, and this is the final result. And wait guys, I'm going to show you the before and after. Let me delete this effect to show you before the editing. Okay, and this is after I edit the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI like high quality editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.